if you do not develop a mindset and you do not develop a strategy to achieve your goals, just like last year and the year before that and the year before that, you are not going to be able to achieve your goals. A lot of the times I get asked the question, how is it that I am able to travel and speak, run a leadership solutions firm, consult for an international organizations, and be a professor? Well, I have developed a master strategic plan that allows me to be able to plan my year and my days. And this is a strategic plan that I have introduced to CEOs, directors, creatives, and that is actually working for them. And here at ETK Leadership Solutions, we want to go ahead and share this master plan with you. Whatever goals you may have, it could be to lose weight, to travel more, to change your career, to get a raise in your career, to start a business, to increase how much money you are making in your business. We are here to teach you how to do that through this master strategic plan that we want to present to you. Moreover, we want to also help you develop the kind of mindset that you need that will allow you to be able to meet whatever goals you may have. And that is why we are inviting you to join us on Saturday, July 1st at the Fairmont Grand Hotel for a one-day workshop on springing into action. Now, it is a very small workshop and spots are limited to just 15 people. So you want to sign up today. You want to sign up right now. So make sure you join us on Saturday, July 1st at the Fairmont Grand Hotel. Our room is going to be overlooking the beautiful Lake Geneva. You want to sign up now because spots are absolutely limited. Begin your transformation journey with us. See you on July 1st.